Tubers mezcal here. I'm going to finish off this this little furnace I'm making. I found this was able to just plunge straight in if you just pushed quickly. So that should help me be able to get a clean piece out of here that I can use as a back wall. And there you go. The size of the saw blade dictated what size that block came out as. Okay, that's alright. This is the side that's going to have the arch in it. The blade went a bit askew there. I think I might have to just chop this into segments and knock it out, because I'm going to have a bit of a time trying to do that with that piece. So I won't be able to bring the tool up past there. So I've roughed it out that far. I did manage to go in on the angle because I had a fair bit of room to knock out there, so I'll just carry on with roughing it out to the shape of the arch there, and